Dear students, in the last two videos, I have discussed about the social aspects and the natural process of growing age. Now today, I will discuss another theme which is based on how our language and our country is important for us and how much priority should be given to it. तो स्टूडेंट्स, जब हम अपने देश के बारे में बात करते हैं तो हमारा सर गर्व से ऊंचा हो जाता है. जस्ट लाइक द ऑथर हैज़ फोकस्ड हाउ लैंग्वेज प्लेज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन बाइंडिंग द कम्युनिटी टुगेदर. So students, now I'll begin with the story. In this story, last lesson, the author is talking about that time when there was a war going on between France and Germany, in which France was defeated. Some parts of France, like Alsace and Lorraine, were conquered by Germans. The teacher Hamel, who was teaching French in the school of Alsace in those times, he was very much shocked after hearing the news that Alsace and Lorraine had gone under the custody of Germans. The order from Berlin have come that now in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine, German will be taught and not the French. तो जब हम किसी के बारे में अचानक हमें कोई ख़बर मिलती है तो हम उस चीज़ पर भरोसा नहीं कर पाते हैं, ठीक जैसे कि हैमेल ने उसको भी भरोसा नहीं हुआ था जब वहाँ जर्मन्स ने ऑर्डर निकाला था कि वहाँ पर अब जर्मन पढ़ाई जाएगी, फ्रेंच नहीं. ऑन द अदर हैंड, ही वॉज वेरी मच शॉक्ड बिकॉज ही वॉज डिवोटेड टुवर्ड्स हिज कंट्री एंड वॉज अ ट्रू पैट्रियट. Secondly, he was teaching French for the last 40 years in the school. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि जब हम किसी जगह पर काफ़ी वक्त तक अपना गुजार लेते हैं तो हमें उस जगह से एक अलग सा अटैचमेंट या लगाव हो जाता है. तो हैमेल का भी कुछ ऐसा ही वो महसूस कर रहे थे, उनके साथ भी कुछ ऐसा ही था. एंड दिस वॉज द रीज़न he took the last lesson. Franz, who was the student at that time in that school, thought he might not go to school as he had not learned the rules of participles which his teacher has given him to learn. ये जैसा कि बच्चों में अमूमन आपने देखा होगा कि आदत होती है कि जब स्कूल में बच्चे टीचर अगर उनको कुछ देता है और स्कूल में बच्चे जब उसको पढ़ते हैं और याद नहीं करते हैं तो अगले दिन वो स्कूल जाना पसंद नहीं करते हैं. ठीक वैसा ही फ्रांस का भी कुछ ऐसा ही था. जब उनके टीचर ने उनसे पार्टिसिपल्स लर्न करने के लिए कहा और अगले दिन उसको सुनने के लिए कहा तो वो जाने से कतरा रहे थे. बट आफ्टर फ्रांस हरिड अप एंड थॉट दैट ही विल गो टू स्कूल एट एनी कॉस्ट. द डिफरेंस विच ही सॉ दैट डे वॉज एंटायरली डिफरेंट because on the town hall he saw a huge crowd gathered there, and when he reached the school the whole environment was changed and there was complete silence everywhere. As soon as he reached his class he was very much frightened. The one reason was that because he has not learned his rules of participles, and secondly he was late for school. But he entered the class where all his classmates were sitting, and apart from that, the other people were also present there except the students. Secondly, when he looked towards his teacher, he too was wearing the dress which he put on only on the special occasions. Then Hamel started talking about different point of views, and the main motive which he called for was to tell the last French lesson is being taught to them, and from tomorrow some other teacher will come and teach German. He made more emphasis on all those aspects which his countrymen should focus on. He told about his country and his language. He motivated people that they should speak their language and keep among themselves. Because a day will come when they will be enslaved and their language will be their part of success. So he told many things about history, writing parts also, but towards the end, when he finished up his lecture, he asked the students to go by saying that the school is over and you can go. तो स्टूडेंट्स, इस लास्ट लेसन में को जब हम पढ़ते हैं तो उसके बाद में हमें ये सीखने के लिए मिलता है कि हमें अपने देश और अपनी भाषा को जहाँ भी हम रहें, जहाँ भी हम हैं, उसे पूरा सम्मान देना चाहिए और उस पर हमें गर्व होना चाहिए. So students, revise this lesson once again and subscribe the channel and please like the video. Thank you.